Emergency declaration. Hundreds of structures have been destroyed.
A massive mud flow in the San Bernardino Mountains.
More than 2,000 homes and buildings destroyed.
As students and young people, we can clearly see that there is something wrong with our current economic system. Costs of living are soaring while wages stagnate, inequality is ever rising, and global economic activity is trampling our environment at an unprecedented rate. These key questions rarely ever arise in economics classes. Economics degrees and curricula are often focused on abstract theories and models, many of which are outdated and based on assumptions that are no longer fit for our 21st century economy. In addition, the perspectives of women, people of color, and working class people are usually underrepresented, if not absent, from mainstream curricula. That's why we developed a crash course that offers a critical, pluralist, and real-world focused introduction to economics and to the US economic system. Rethinking Econ 101 will guide you through the foundations of mainstream economics, expose the myths of some dominant economic ideas, introduce new approaches to understanding the economy, and equip you with the tools to take action. This is a free 10-session course starting this September. Spaces are limited, so make sure to register today.